Hello guys, I'm gonna be talking about today the cockatiel birds and how to know if your bird is a male or female. So in every cockatiel birds, whatever it's male or female, that there is a yellow circle in his face or her face. In the male it's more bright and it's bright orange, but in the female it's a pale orange and darkness. So there is another way to know if your bird is male, and you will find that his tail is completely clear. But in the female, you will find it planted and dotted, as you see in the picture. It's not clear. And in the wings, it's the same as the tails. This is a male wing. It's completely clear. And this is a female wing. It's dotted and planted and colorful as you see. And you will find in the male cockatiel bird it's singing a lot, but the male is quiet. Found in the male cockatiel when he's standing on his perch or any stick that his leg is close together. And this is a female cockatiel bird and her legs is not close together, they are far and opened. Now can you tell me, is that a male or female cockatiel?